How to review groups, communities, events, and reels on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review groups, events, communities, and reels on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down. Here you find settings and go down again until you find activity log. Click on it and now click interactions, and here you will find not interactions, this one here, groups, communities, events, and reels. And as you see here, you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.